Good afternoon. I'm Nick. This is Adam. We're here with Sterling Restoration. Today we are at 6410 178th Street West in Lakeville. We're going to be conducting a brittle test here. So I'm going to do a quick overview of the roof for the adjuster on the file. Okay, so to get started on our brittle test here, what we've done is we've marked out two shingles. So the bottom shingle here, as you can see, these are both fully adhered and sealed. So we're going to be uh, lifting up this top shingle here, and then this bottom shingle here would be our damaged shingle that we would be replacing. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the brittle test. So we remove the seal on top of here. So now that we have loosened up both of these shingles, what we will do now is we'll have to lift this top shingle. In order to access the shingle that we're going to be removing and replacing. So now that we've lifted it one time, we'll have to go in here, remove this nail, remove this nail, remove this nail, remove this nail. Now we'll be able to pull out the damaged shingle that we will be replacing. So once that's gone, we'll have to lift this up again, slide in our new shingle. Now we'll have to nail here, nail here, nail here, nail here, nail here again. Set this shingle back down. And as you can see, this top shingle here has clearly been damaged during the replacement of the damaged shingle below it. You can also see up top here we have granular loss. So in conclusion, these shingles do not pass the brittle test as a result of replacing this shingle. The surrounding shingles have been damaged as well.